Hi, my name is Samantha and I'm an air fryer addict. Today I wanted to show you how to use the air fryer to roast garlic. It's one of these amazing cooking hacks that once you've done it once, you will be doing it often. Have you tried the air fryer free mini course? Are you new to the air fryer? Let me introduce you to our 5-day free quick start mini course. It answers a lot of beginner air fryer questions, gives you simple air fryer recipes to follow, and helps you get confident with your air fryer. You can get it for free at recipethis.com/ebooks or search recipethis.com for air fryer mini course. So let's talk air fryer roasted garlic. One of those great things to do in the air fryer, and if you've ever wondered whether or not you can put silver foil, or as you might call it, aluminium foil, in the air fryer, this is an example of doing so. What you do is you chop the end off the garlic so that the cloves are exposed. No need to skin the rest of it, just pull off any loose bits. Do the same again. You can do as many or as few bulbs as you wanted in the air fryer at once. And there you have it, 3 bulbs like that. You may be wondering, what's the point of putting garlic in the air fryer? Well, it's like you're cooking your garlic in a bigger batch. You don't have to do lots of peeling or mincing of your garlic cloves, and it's just one of those great air fryer hacks. So now you've sliced them, you need to be placing them in olive oil. So you can put them in separate silver foil packages, or you can do them together like I'm showing you now. So you just want 3 simple ones like that, and then you want to add some olive oil to them, give it a rub on the top of the cloves, between the 3, season with salt. You can also add pepper. I like oregano because you can guarantee that if I'm cooking with garlic, there's always some oregano involved, so you can add this as well. Or you can just keep it plain. I know a lot of people that just love it with extra virgin olive oil and salt. So you've seasoned your garlic. Now it's just a case of wrapping it up. That's all you do. Literally, that's all there is to it. And then you place it in your air fryer. And then you set the temperature to 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then the cook time to 20 minutes. Then, depending on your garlic cloves, you can check on them. It might need a little bit longer. So, we'll just see. So the garlic's done 20 minutes. Let's check on it and see how much longer it needs. So you want to open up silver foil. Oh, the smell of that garlic is absolutely wonderful. But as you can see, it's not quite there yet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it back on. But I'm going to put it back on with the silver foil open, because when it's closed, it slows down the cook time. So then let's do it in 5 minutes, shall we? So same temperature and 5 minutes. And repeat. Wow, now that's what I'm talking about. That is perfectly cooked garlic. Let me give you a closer look. Yeah, as you can see, the cloves are so soft. And you can just get your fork perfectly through them. And the point of doing these is that next time you've got a recipe that calls for some garlic in it, you can just squeeze out one of these cloves and then use that instead. Now the garlic's cool enough to handle, I just wanted to show you what it was like. So it literally just pops out of the skin like that, and you've got absolutely perfectly cooked garlic. Like I say, always wait till it's cooled down a bit, because otherwise it's very difficult to handle. Then you can just pull it out of its skin and it just pops out and it's just perfectly cooked. Then you can just use it in whichever recipes you had planned. If you're cooking something and you feel that raw garlic's going to be too much but you don't want to spend time cooking it, such as making some hummus, you can just grab some of your roasted garlic and then just use it as you need it. Today's recipe is all part of one of our themes that we're running at the moment. It's called 12 Idiot-Proof Air Fryer Recipes. Not my choice of title, but one of my readers asked me for air fryer recipes that were idiot-proof, that was so simple that a child could do them, and that's what today's recipes are about. The reason we run themes on our YouTube channel is so that we can focus on a certain type of cooking. You can scroll through our videos and then see which one best applies to you, and then you can pick and choose which ones of our air fryer recipes you are going to recreate at home. Thanks so much for watching. We would love it if you joined the Recipe This family. You can get as involved as you like. You're welcome to follow us on Facebook or Pinterest. Join our Facebook groups, we have 2. Join our Kitchen Gadgets newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to ding the bell for instant notifications. Or check out our podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets and is a great way to listen along as we talk about the magic of cooking with kitchen gadgets. Even better, if you head over to recipethis.com, you'll find more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes. Think air fryer, instant pot, soup maker, slow cooker, bread maker and more.